Hi, I'm Cindy Govarder. I am an associate professor in the Speech and Hearing Sciences department here at UNM, and I am the director of Project MESA. Project MESA is a grant funding training grant specifically from the Office of Special Education in the Department of Education. The purpose of it is to train student clinicians in speech-language pathology to be prepared to work with young autistic children, and particularly with a focus on children who are multicultural, bilingual, and we've had the opportunity to recruit student clinicians who are all bilingual English-Spanish speakers.
I'm Mary Hartley. I am a speech-language pathologist. I'm also a senior lecturer and a clinic instructor in the Speech and Hearing Sciences department at UNM, and I am part of Project MESA as a clinical supervisor. Project MESA Summer Camp is an opportunity for families to get support for their children. They're children that are autistic, and they happen to be children right now under Project MESA who are bilingual. Some indigenous children, some children who speak Spanish, so a whole variety of children. It's also an opportunity for those families to get some parent coaching, to learn how to communicate with their children, to learn how to play with their children in a way that really promotes their development. It's empowering for parents, it's empowering for children. It's also an opportunity for our speech and language pathology students to learn to collaborate with others, to learn that they are not the only experts in the room, that the parents are the experts as well, and the children are the experts. And they learn to collaborate, come together, and build goals.
Nationally, there is data that shows less than about 8% of speech-language pathologists are bilingual. And in New Mexico, obviously we have high needs for that, not just with Spanish-speaking populations, but also our indigenous populations, Asian populations. And so it's a particular need in our area. And also give them supports and mentorship because there's an extra cognitive load often for bilingual clinicians, where they are not only just providing therapy, but they're having to sometimes translate and be thinking back and forth, and they learn something in class in English but have to explain it to a parent in Spanish. And so a big part of the MESA experience is giving our students hands-on experience.
The students get a chance to really learn what's important to children and to parents, and to wrap their services around what's important to that family. What does that family need? And develop resources and very special strategies to help those kids communicate that are quite individualized. I feel like this camp enriches our community, and the families enrich our program.